Today, we're diving into the significance of magnesium in your daily routine. It's crucial to incorporate vitamins and minerals into your daily regimen, especially if you have deficiencies. Magnesium is just one of these essential minerals, and it's possible to be lacking it, particularly if your diet lacks an abundance of green leafy vegetables, nuts, seeds, or whole grains. However, you're not alone in this deficiency, as studies indicate that nearly half of the U.S. population falls short in magnesium intake. Consulting your healthcare provider can help determine if magnesium supplementation is necessary, and if you do decide to include it, you may experience various enhancements in your mental and physical well-being. Well, let's explore 7 surprising benefits of incorporating magnesium into your daily life. Number 1. Enhanced sleep quality. According to Anna Reisdorf, Mississippi, a registered dietitian, RD, and the founder of the Food Trends, insufficient magnesium levels can lead to difficulties in achieving restful sleep. Therefore, incorporating a magnesium supplement can contribute to improving your sleep patterns. Supporting this notion, a study published in April 2022 in the journal Sleep revealed that individuals with higher magnesium intake were more likely to achieve the recommended amount of sleep each night. The study suggests that magnesium's influence on sleep may be attributed to its role in regulating the circadian clock and its involvement in the production of melatonin, a crucial hormone that governs the sleep-wake cycle. Number 2. Alleviation of anxiety and depression symptoms. For individuals grappling with mental health issues like anxiety and depression, it may come as a pleasant surprise that magnesium can play a role in alleviating these conditions, as highlighted by Reisdorf. In a study conducted in 2017 and published in PLOS One, researchers discovered that magnesium proved to be an effective strategy for addressing mild to moderate depression in adults. The study's findings revealed a notable reduction in both depression and anxiety symptoms, irrespective of factors such as age, gender, the initial severity of depression, or the use of antidepressant medications. Number 3. Easing the discomfort of constipation. Magnesium can also contribute to enhanced gastrointestinal (GI) tract functioning, as explained by Yelena Wheeler, a registered dietitian nutritionist and contributor to the National Coalition on Healthcare, NCHC. As stated by the University of Michigan, magnesium achieves this by aiding in the augmentation of water levels within your intestines, thereby facilitating smoother bowel movements. Number 4. Supporting bone health. Another valuable aspect of magnesium is its role in maintaining healthy bones, as emphasized by Wheeler. This mineral is fundamental to bone formation and enamel preservation. According to the organization American Bone Health, individuals with a higher magnesium intake tend to exhibit greater bone mineral density, a crucial factor in reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. In line with this, a study from 2013, featured in the journal Nutrients, pointed out that magnesium deficiency directly contributes to osteoporosis by affecting crystal formation and bone cell activity. It also has an indirect impact by influencing the secretion and activity of parathyroid hormone and promoting low-grade inflammation. Additionally, a study published in Biometals in 2021 concluded that taking magnesium supplements offered benefits in terms of both bone mineral density and fracture risk. Number 5. Migraine management. For individuals dealing with migraines, medical experts suggest that magnesium can offer relief in this area as well. Citing the American Migraine Foundation, there is evidence to indicate that magnesium oxide can be beneficial for individuals experiencing migraines with aura. These auras involve sensory disturbances that often serve as a warning sign for an impending migraine. According to the foundation, magnesium may help prevent the brain signaling responsible for triggering these sensory changes. Number 6. Lowering the risk of heart issues. Given that heart disease ranks as the top cause of death in the United States, many individuals are actively seeking ways to decrease their risk. Interestingly, experts propose that magnesium supplements may provide a helpful option. According to a study published in February 2018 in Nutrients, there is evidence indicating that increased magnesium intake is linked to a reduced likelihood of developing cardiovascular conditions, encompassing heart disease and coronary heart disease. Some of the observed reasons behind this connection include enhanced glucose and insulin regulation, as well as the presence of antihypertensive and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 7. Supporting blood sugar management and weight loss. Heather Sanderson, an expert in Alzheimer's disease and related dementia, ADRD care, who operates the ADRD treatment clinic Solsere and founded the Marama Experience facility, highlights an unexpectedly positive aspect of magnesium: its ability to aid in blood sugar regulation. People often underestimate magnesium's role in managing blood sugar levels and insulin production, Sanderson explains. Ava De Angelis, a licensed dietitian nutritionist and health and nutrition writer at healthcanal.com, describes how magnesium achieves this by enhancing the sensitivity of insulin cells. After eating, insulin regulates blood glucose levels, preventing excess glucose from being converted into fat, she clarifies. Furthermore, as insulin is a hormone that promotes fat burning, it enables you to burn more fat, leading to weight loss. DeAngelis further notes that low magnesium levels are associated with insulin resistance and weight gain, which can be especially significant for individuals with diabetes. Consult your doctor before adding a supplement. Before taking magnesium supplements, it's important to consult your healthcare provider if you experience digestive issues, as excessive intake can lead to diarrhea, nausea, and abdominal discomfort, DeAngelis advises. Individuals with reduced kidney function should be cautious as magnesium toxicity risk increases. Wheeler further emphasizes that magnesium may interact with other medications you may be taking, so it's essential to consult your healthcare provider regarding potential interactions. That's a wrap on the surprising benefits of magnesium. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you next time on Simply Health.